Alright, so we're doing the fuel pump on this. I thought it was on that side, so I opened it up, but it's on the right behind the driver's seat. So these two covers, you can just prop them up like this, slide them up, and then it's going to be 14mm here, 14mm here. Okay, then fold down the seat. There's gonna be one nut, 14mm here, and then 14mm fold here. Okay, and then it's gonna be the color should be. There's one more somewhere. There's this one here, 14. You have to remove the whole seat, otherwise you're not going to be able to. There's one more under this. So you need to take this out. To the car. Maybe I can do it without taking it out. If it's gonna block me. Alright, so don't forget to disconnect the battery before you take out the seat or work anything with the fuel pump. Yeah, let me get a cool pick. Where don't you wanna come out? Ah, there's one more hiding over there. Motherfucker. That was in the front. And that's a 12. Where's the 13th? Ay, ay, ay. Now, why would you do everything 13 and then that one still won't go? That's not it. Okay, now why don't you come out? What's the matter with you? That you don't want to come out. Confusion level 100. Confusion level 100. Confusion level 100. 105. Open this, there's nothing there. Open this, and it's right there. This is so stupid. So stupid. Alright. Okay. No. Oh. Whoa. Alright. Now, the release cable. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. One seat out. And now we have full access. What the hell, bro? Could I just put 10mm bolt in here? Alright. And now this doesn't want to turn. Oh my god. Okay, flathead screwdriver works better, and you gotta go the opposite way when you lose it. Bang. Bing. Alright, now pull this puppy up, and then we have one connector. Oh no, I hate this fucking cover. Alright, so what you can do is you can pull this out so the cover doesn't keep annoying you. Okay, tuck this baby under here. That's it, and out of your way. Now be careful opening this, because so you push this tool inside. Ooh, that's a lot of pressure. Okay. And ta-da! Now to remove this cover is a pain in the ass if you don't have the tool, which I don't have. So let's see what we can do. Like these rivets here, they go to lock it, and it's very, very hard. So start off one corner and go to ooh, it's the first time you come out that easy. Nice. Alrighty, one fuel pump bring out. Now the pump has a hose connecting it in the bottom. So what I'm guessing, slide it out like this. Careful not to spill all the fuel, and then there's this hose right here. Try to drain most of it inside. It's coming out of the car. So this one, it has a press from both sides. Press that. That's because I don't want fuel to go everywhere. Press the locks, and then bang. And then level sensor. Whoopa. There we go. One fuel pump out. Settle it down nicely. Customer didn't want an aftermarket pump, which was still 500 bucks, so he opted out for a junkyard one, OEM. So the problem with these cars is that even the OEM ones have problems. It's a common problem on these cars. So we told him about it. He said, I don't care. So basically, as long as they don't care, then we don't care either. Well, we care, hopefully it works, but sometimes it can be defective. Now why is that hose different? It's not different, it's the same. So let's put this pumping back in its place. Just be careful not to break anything, because then we just get stuck. Alright, all rise. Alright, so now that the pump is inside, it goes like this. You always gotta put it back the same way it comes out. Now back to the lock. Go away. Go away. Alright, so make sure it's seated correctly. And now let's tap away. Tap, tap, tap. Now the thing is why I do it in multiple places, because when you hit it on one side, it shifts. You know what I mean? So hit-itty, hit-itty. Hit-itty, hit-itty. That thing came out. There you go. Nice and tight. Nice and tight right there. Now, make sure you clean all the fuel, so this way it doesn't stink inside the car. I'm gonna do that real quick because I also have a blower, so BRB. Alright guys, nice and clean. Now, put this puppy back, make sure you're aligned so it can lock. There we go. Now, back goes the cover. Like this. Put the grommet back on. And now plug that baby back in. And then we put it back. So right to loosen, left to tighten, which is the purpose of righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just push it back, whatever. There we go. Now we are live. That's one fuel pump finished. Alright, next up is the Rooney. Now I'm not a detailing spot, so I'm not gonna clean all this, but because clearly he does not wash his car. Alright. Alright, set it up in place. Oh my god. Alright, don't forget the cable Rooney over here. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to use your seat anymore. So, rightly so. Now, what you can do is adjust that, right? And then lift this baby up, lift this up, and then make sure one goes in here Okay. The other one goes in there, like so. Put all of them first, then tighten. Okay, so this one I took off for no reason. Where is the nut? This is for the front, this is for the rear. Alright. Not a very difficult job, to be honest. Just gotta have Fisheroonie. Okay, put that there. Tighten everything. Alrighty, back up we go. Make sure you put the cushion back. Really so. Let's see here what happened over here. I need 2 hands. Squeeze it back together. Alright, so now that that's done, what's back here? Oh, because when you lift it up. Alright, I need those belts here. Oh my god. Fuck. Sorry for the language. Alright, so my glasses is about to die, so put the screws back and then you're good to go. Just connect the battery and then boom. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.